Hi traders, today is 1st of April 2020. We are now live day trading for indexes, US product, S&P futures 500 and Nasdaq 100 as well, the Russell 2000. So at this moment, for my local time is 9:49 a.m. in the morning. So this is Asia session. So if you are in the USA, should be by now in New York is 9:49 p.m. and it's like night time in US area. Okay, so for yesterday, I mean 31st, for my side already turned into the new date, and we have a good profit from Nasdaq. So, but the worst come for this S&P futures 500. So at this moment, I'm on one short sell position size, and for Asia session, we expected for the market to go further down. So this is the first support price level, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, correct. And we are expecting for the market to reduce a bit to 523. So this will be around 15 ticks target price, and let's wait and see. Hopefully the price will not reverse above the VWAP line, which is this yellow line. So as for now, we are still floating negative, and hopefully can make a good positive movement, and yes, make some money, I guess, or rebalance back the losses we have made for the E-Mini S&P. For Nasdaq, we have a good profit yesterday. So a lot of scalping during the breakdown to the downside, because there is a big move last night. So managed to catch everything, but as usual, I exit far more earlier, so which is caused me to miss out the opportunity all here down here. Okay, but it's okay, because overall we're still in positive territory, and profit for the Nasdaq. Only for now I need to rebalance back for the S&P 500. Okay, so hopefully everything will be back to normal, and maybe this profit later on will include as a today profit and not yesterday, so might not rebalance back. So let's wait later on. Please watch this video to the end. So there's a lot of opportunity recently because of the volatility of the market, and this is how I do day trade every day as a day salary, as a day trader. So you can feel free to watch all my video in my live stream in my YouTube channel, and there's a lot of video live trading. Okay, with my live account with M Futures broker, and this is platform CQG. So some analysis on the market, so you can see that this at first it was a pullback, and now another pullback perhaps, and it doesn't look really good. Entering around 37 to 38, and the price now is 40, so should be around 2 points or 2.5 in the negative side. Although we have a confirmation that the market will run towards the negative side, which is to try to go for the bearish kind of movement, but this might take a few maybe around 1 hour time, because I missed out this entry just now, but I did enter during the pullback, which is not a good idea. I'm supposed to take it further deep into the market, which is at the current price 40, 42 or 41, which is quite good and less risk. But I did take the same price level as 37, and hope for the market to break through to the nearest low and go for this bearish movement. As for now, I'm still floating negative, and let's wait and see for the next 1 hour time. Oh, okay, doesn't look good. It's minus $12. With the normal account, it's like minus 125 or minus 150 US dollar, which is quite a lot for one lot position size. Okay, so I'll pause this video. We'll resume later on once the market make a move on the positive side. Alright, let's resume back again. So it looks good at this moment. For S&P futures, we have one trade, and current position now is with the profit of 20 US dollar, which is good enough. With the normal standard account is 200 US dollar. So we'll exit any moment. I think should be a good one, because this is the first trade today. So just now I show you there's another trade. The one is belongs to yesterday, and there's no trade. This will be the first trade for today for Asia session, as usual, as the opening. So I'm expecting for the market to go further down at this moment, and yeah, I need to make some analysis. Alright, so here we go. There's not much clue, so better to exit now. I will go flat with my position, and here we go. For normal standard account is 215 US dollar. For micro account, I'm using micro now, is 21 US dollar. So it was a good one. This is the first trade, and target always 200 to 300 US dollar per day. So that's the target I given to myself for my day trading as a day salary. This is a daily activity, the same setup every day for the indexes, and I also trade for crude oil as well. And yeah, I think that's all. We'll resume later on once we have another signal from NQ. I'm expecting. I didn't expect anything at this moment because the market moved in the sideways movement for Nasdaq 100. So still not. Yeah, there's some kind of pattern. Maybe perhaps this triangle over here. Yeah, could be, but I don't trade the pattern. I never trade the pattern. There's not much reason, but I just don't trade the pattern. I try to find the best entry that makes sure I'm always profit. 97%, or maybe more. So maybe if this is a pattern for triangle, then it will go up further, maybe up to this point, and then later we'll go down. So we will wait until the next move and find a good entry next round. Especially for NQ, hope to get more profit. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and please like, subscribe, and share this video with other traders. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.